Okay, just a quick unboxing. Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair trimmer right here. It's a lightweight hair trimmer. Okay, not really special inside. Oh, okay, got a charging. No, not a charging one. Yeah. Okay, charging stand. I didn't even know. Okay, it's like this. Okay. And some guards, cable, something like that. Yeah, this one is not that important. So. So this is it. It's not bad, very lightweight. Okay, and the blade, it's not sharp at all, although it's already zero gapped. Yeah. And wall T-white blade doesn't fit. Andy's GTS blade, I mean the holes of Andy's fit, but the setup, I don't know. I didn't really look. And you can make a skeleton of it, which is good also. Normally got good sound. Okay, the RPM. $7,000 RPM. So yeah, but no blade fits. This is the main problem with this hair trimmer. It should be good, but no blade fits. And the blade that comes with it, it's not sharp enough. So that's why, I don't know. If you like, you can buy. If you like, don't buy it. It's all up to you if you like it or not. So that's it. Peace, man.